How can you say na hindi mo alam? So pag sinabi mong hindi na compromise, opinion mo yun eh. Opinion mo. You are not in a position to tell us na hindi na compromise. Only time will tell. Madam, dito po sa binasa kong provision kanina, Mr. Chair, kayo po ang may karapatang gumawa ng isang comprehensive program kung paano isasakatuparan ang pag-audit sang-ayon po sa pamantayan ng ating saligang batas. It cannot be delegated to any other agency. Nag-usap na tayo kanina.
Yes po.
What has been delegated can no longer be delegated.
Yes.
That is a principle of law.
Yes po.
Sa mga abogado pong nandito, alam po nila yun eh. Potestas delegata, non delegare potest. Nagkakaintindihan po tayo.
Yes po.
So effectively, you delegated the idea, the work that you should have been doing in the first place. I cannot blame this committee kasi hindi po nyo in-advise eh. Paano ngayon? Hindi po ba na-compromise yung independence ng Commission on Audit? You have to remember, the COA is an independent constitutional body.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I believe there is no compromise naman
Yun
po,
ang palagay mo.
since yung audit procedures still belong with the Commission on Audit.
Yun ang palagay mo. You're talking of procedures, pero compromise nga yung mga dokumentong gagamitin ninyo eh. Kasi binigay mo nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo, walang kasalanan ang committee ito sapagkat sinabi na ka, binigay mo without advising them. Sana man lang, sumulat ka man lang, and then the committee, malay mo, they have weighed their options. Baka sakaling hindi ganito nangyari. In this particular case, narinig mo kanina, nagsalita ang aming speaker. Sabi niya, let us strengthen the institution that uphold our democracy. Pero po, doon sa ginawa po ninyo, did you strengthen the foundation and the independence, the authority of the COA as enshrined in the Constitution?
Mr. Chair, dun po sa compliance po namin, we emphasized on the confidentiality of the information. So kami din po, hindi rin po namin in-expect that it would be released to the public.
Hindi mo alam ang nature ng pagdinig dito sa House of Representatives. This is always public. Ikaw naman. How can you say na hindi mo alam? Sa inyo po kasi confidential. Iba po yung modality nyo because this is audit. Pero once na binigay mo dito, the House of Representatives and all the committees will conduct and undertake meetings publicly. Wala po kaming private meetings. So pag sinabi mong hindi na compromise, opinion mo yun eh. Opinion mo. You are not in a position to tell us na hindi na compromise. Only time will tell. Siguro po dapat pinaalam po ninyo. The fact that you did not even inform the commission proper that there is a subpoena sent by the House, dapat sana ganun eh.